What if I told you the way people treat you has nothing to do with your skills or intelligence, and everything to do with how you show up? Right now, there are small things you're doing that make people dismiss you, ignore you, or overlook your value. The best part, you can fix them. And number 5, this one habit is the most powerful change you'll ever make. 1. You don't believe in yourself. Here's the truth. If you don't believe in yourself, why would anyone else? Confidence isn't just a feeling, it's an energy. When you second guess yourself, it shows, and people pick up on that instantly. 2. You don't follow through. People respect consistency. If you say you're going to do something and you don't deliver, your words lose weight. Over time, people stop trusting you. The solution? Let your actions speak louder than your promises. 3. You don't command attention. When you speak, do people actually stop and listen? Or do your words fade into the background? Commanding attention isn't about being loud, it's about presence. Eye contact, a calm voice, and strong body language make people take notice. 4. You apologize too much. Saying "I'm sorry" when you've done nothing wrong weakens your voice. It makes you seem unsure of yourself. Respect comes from owning your space and your opinions. 5. You don't set boundaries, the most important. Here's the harsh truth. If you don't set boundaries, people will walk all over you. They'll take your time, your energy, and your kindness for granted. Respect starts with valuing yourself enough to say no when it matters. 6. You don't look the part. First impressions matter whether we like it or not. The way you present yourself tells the world how you want to be treated. Taking care of your appearance isn't about vanity. It's about respect for yourself and for others. 7. You don't put yourself out there. If you're always in the background, people won't see your value. Respect is earned when you step forward, take risks, and show the world what you're capable of. Yes, it's uncomfortable, but staying invisible is far more costly. Here's the thing. Respect isn't something you demand, it's something you earn. It starts with believing in yourself, showing up with confidence, and setting the standard for how you want to be treated. If this video inspired you, hit subscribe. Together, we'll keep growing, improving, and stepping into the lives we were meant to lead.